What was my very first puppet? I'll show you. Welcome to Man vs. Puppet. This week, I got an email from a friend, just like you. Elliot says, "Dear Vic, I want to know what your very first puppet was." Elliot, that is a very good question. This month just happens to be the 13th anniversary of when I first started doing puppets for kids. I'm kind of old. You see, I had a friend named Mr. Heath, and he did puppet shows for kids every single day. Well, one day he told me that I could do puppets for kids too.
Your lips are moving.
And he taught me how to do the puppet of the little birds. You want to see? I hope I can find them.
Where are you?
Found it. It's a tree, mostly. It's not the top. It's not the bottom. It's the middle. And inside lives the little birds. Hello? Is anybody in there? Look, you guys, it's a bird. One little bird sitting in a tree. Can you believe it? There's one little... That's two. Two birds are sitting in the tree. I can't believe it. That's 3 birds. Are you guys hungry?
Uh-huh.
What you want, little bird?
Applesauce.
Applesauce? Applesauce? That's kind of weird. Okay, you go to sleep. Look, now there's only 2 birdies. 1, 2. 2 birds. Hey, little guy down there, are you hungry?
Uh-huh.
He's hungry too. Do you want applesauce?
Uh-uh.
He doesn't want applesauce. That's good. I wonder what he does want to eat.
Banana sauce.
Banana sauce? That's even worse than applesauce. Here you go. Now you go to sleep too. Now there's only 1 little birdie left. Hey, bud, are you hungry?
Oh, yeah.
Do you want applesauce?
No way.
Do you want banana sauce?
Nuh-uh.
Whew. Oh, good. What you want? Birdie. Birdie! Stop saying and tell me what you want, okay?
I want bubblegum sauce.
Bubblegum sauce? What? That's the weirdest thing I've ever heard of. Here you go. Now you go to sleep too. Whew. Now, all of my birds have had their snack, and all of my birds, they've all gone to
Bubblegum!
Hey, you scared me. Don't do that. Get in your bed. Sorry, guys, but don't worry. He went to sleep. Stop it! Get in your bed. Okay, now all my... Get in your bed! Finally. It really worked. All of my birds had something to eat, and all of my birds all went to sleep.